Good morning, families and friends. You see, my topic for this morning is God's permissive will. See, have you ever asked, God, why did you allow this? See, friends, that question sits at the heart of what the Bible calls God's permissive will. God has a perfect will, what he desires. See, the Bible says, for this is the will of God, even your sanctification. 1 Thessalonians 4 verse 3. But God also grants human freedom, and with freedom comes risk. Sometimes God allows what he does not approve. Acts 14:16 says, who in time past suffered all nations to walk in their own ways. Friends, this does not mean God enjoys suffering. It means he values love that chooses him freely rather than obedience that is forced. Look at Joseph. He was betrayed, sold, in prison. None of that was God's perfect will. Yet Joseph could say, yet ye thought evil against me, but God meant it unto good. Genesis 50 and verses 20. See, friends, the greatest example is the cross. The cross. God permitted the worst injustice so he could accomplish the greatest salvation. The Bible says he was delivered by the determinate counsel and foreknowledge of God. Acts chapter 2 verses 23. Here's the hope. God never wastes what he permits. He may allow the storm, but he remains Lord of it. Friends, faith is not understanding everything. Faith is trusting God when you don't. See, if today you are in a season you did not choose, remember this. God's permission is temporary, but his purpose is eternal. Trust him because he is still good. God bless.